Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Also, for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Thank you so much. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 2, Milford FC 0. Brother, how's it?
Shabin yourself.
Fine, thanks. So, name, where do you come from?
Lindikaya from Rustenburg, Sondela branch.
Number one.
A beautiful game from Milford. Yes. If a team, my brother, was connect 4 passes, 5 passes, that team, right. A beautiful game from our team. But ngibona something police ufuna ukwenza umsebenzi we players as 11. Ithatha responsibility 11 players.
Keep the ball too much.
Yes, lot of offsides caused by nguye delay. I hope uzayilungisa going forward. But beautiful game, dancing bra, number one. The center back from Milford. Tele, just number 22. That boy is good. That boy is good. Beautiful. Masilela, just number 90 from the bench.
Exactly.
That boy is good. That boy is good. And a beautiful game. 3 points. We are happy. Next week, MTN 8. Defending champs most. But this season, I hope management and the coach, plan yabo, target into school. Like CAF
Champions League.
It's supposed to have trophy 1 this season or 2, but it trophy mkule sifuna CAF at least omakhelwane bangade bafumana star singakafumani second star because abantu be star seat abantu aba introduce South African football kwi CAF seat. So just hope kuza kwenzeka kanjalo this season. Babonile ke nabanye bebelapha kodwa ba postponeile andiyazi ke babe befuna because ba postponeile andiyazi
no bathanda ibhola
abathanda izinto abathanda ibhola
akithi ibhola ifola under icategory yezinto.
Okay, my brother, ngivumelana nawe. So a beautiful game from our side. Muremi uperformile, dancing uperformile, Apolis uperformile nangonet lay game but uperformile. The senior player, age of 36, Hoto. That guy is good. That guy is good, man. That guy is good. And back to season ephelele. Nominated defenders of the season. Nominator Umutau, kodwa bashiya uHoto. Mawujonga stats ska Hoto no Mutau. uHoto better than Umutau, kodwa ka nominatewanga. I-supporters zaba i-neighbors zethu ziya-complain uba why ingawinwanga Umutau. But Umutau xa ujonga i-stats asidlali mebra iyamedlula linguHoto.
Inkinga ukuthi abanye abantu aba-understand ukuthi ama-PSL awards mabethi defender of the season babheka i-PSL games, Betway Premiership. They don't look at MTN 8, CAF Champions League and other things.
Omakhelwane. Yes. But hayi thina sicheka yonke into. That's analyze i-game esiyibukeleyo nesiyazini obesiyibukele.
Enkosi.
Yes my brother, thanks.
Sharp.